small things that make your experiences truly unforgettable. The subtle smile from that perfect someone, the gentle rustle of the fiery leaves from that autumn adventure, fresh, new light from a sunrise dancing across the shoreline in soft sand. Contoura Vision opens your eyes to these incredible moments. Intricate textures weave their way through every experience, bringing depth and richness to every moment. With Contoura Vision, you experience every part of every moment the way you're supposed to. It's personalized LASIK that has made a real difference. So much so that 98.4% of patients said they would get the procedure again. These are people who can fully experience every facet and every feature, every day. Because Contoura Vision brings to life those remarkable textures that make a moment worth remembering, a moment more real. Contoura Vision is about you and real.